Right? I mean, who thinks it's hot? Oh, it's everybody. Good to be with you guys. I'm Aaron Perlman. And yeah, if you were to look, though, at the last, since 2020, all right, we go last 5-6 years. Take a look at this. This is what's interesting here. The hottest year was 2021. At this point in time, we had 58 triple-digit days as of this point in time in history. I'll mark it out here for you. That's impressive. If you look over 2023, 32. But out of all of them, in the last 6 years, who's the coolest? We are. We've only had 29 triple-digit days. And by the way, you're watching 29 Eyewitness News. Just throw that out to you. Now today will probably be day 30. 100 degrees back in the fold. But tomorrow, 99. We're still going to keep our heat wave alive just for one more day with a slight chance for some thunderstorms finally clearing out. That's good news. Let's talk a little bit about that. That moisture is starting to finally exit the region. All of this has been moving up towards the northeast. We still have one more day of this monsoonal flow, that strong southeasterly push. It's been pushing up all this action into our area. So we're going to see this begin to clear out going into the Kern River Valley and mountain areas after today. So another go for it, probably 30-60% chance. But then we'll start seeing drying occur, maybe some action up along the Sierras for Wednesday, but Kern County will start drying out as we get more of a west to easterly flow, just enough to keep the temperatures down. So one more day of thunderstorms. Heat wave number 4, we'll move it to day 5 today. It ends by Wednesday, if not Thursday. This thing is out of here, and we're done. You can see that here in the 7-day. Triple digits for one more day. We'll extend the heat wave out for an extra day, and then that's it. By Thursday, we're done. More triple digits do arrive on Labor Day. So remember, if you're going to go have a party, whatever it is you're doing, stay hydrated, keep yourself in the shade, and if you're going to go swimming, watch your kids around water.